How's it going, guys? Reese and Justin back for Tag Customs. Justin, what are we out here doing today?
We're getting some cool shots of the Jeep in the snow.
And so I think in the spirit of science, we're going to do a little Jeep snow test. The inaugural snow test of the Jeep, Justin's 2022 Jeep Gladiator build. 21 build in 2022. We're going to do a very scientific snow test. Expect a lot of numbers, a lot of facts.
And a whole lot of flying snow.
A whole lot of flying snow. Yeah, a lot of flying snow. Let's do some science. All right, Justin, what is your verdict on those very scientific tests we just completed?
That was very scientific.
What are your findings of the Jeeps?
It's a lot of fun. I like snow.
What are, I guess, your 3 tips for driving in the snow?
Take it slow if you're not comfortable driving in the snow, and make sure you got good tires. And it's always good to learn how your vehicle handles when it slides.
What would you say to anyone thinking about taking their Jeep off-road in the snow?
Do it. You gotta do it.
So how did the suspension fare during all that drifting and throwing around? I would hate to be a smoothie in any other car doing that, but I feel like if you had a smoothie, it would still be all inside the cup here.
I think it actually handled really well. Nice and smooth, and the only scary thing is you don't know what's underneath all the snow.
That is the one scary thing about doing something like this, so be smart. Conduct science before you do science. Shout out to Synergy for making amazing suspension components that we're able to stick in Jeeps like this that really just allow us to
kick ass
and have fun. I think the main thing that we take away from this is after all that drifting and throwing it down, how deep was that snow, Justin?
Probably, I don't know, at least a foot.
At least a foot of snow.
Maybe more.
Maybe a bit more. It seemed like a bit more. I'm pretty short, but it was going up to my knees, maybe my waist. But Justin's Jeep really had zero problems with any of that, really.
Break time! Be right back!
You want to build your next vehicle, whether it be a 4x4 overland rig, a performance street car, or a lifted truck. We'll walk you through every step of the build to ensure your dreams become your reality. To get started, send us an inquiry at tagcustoms.com. That was another very serious video from us over here at Tag Customs. We appreciate you watching and learning some science with us. We are going to go back to our day jobs.